So another project here for today is we've got the SR200 Stihl. Just mixed up a batch of gas, filled it up. I put my Tall Star P in here, 1 ounce of Tall Star to a gallon of water. This holds a little over 2 gallons. So it comes in a container like this. You just tip it, and here's your 1, 2, 3, 4 on that. I just finished this one up. This is left over from last year in my respirator. I will not do this without a respirator. And in my respirator over the winter, the squirrels had filled it with corn. So I had to kind of take that in and get it all cleaned out and get it all ready to go. So we have a perfectly calm night here. No rain in the forecast. We're going to fire this puppy up, and I'm going to spray our yard and the neighbor's yard here. Mosquitoes have just here really started to come out, so we're going to knock them down right away here if we can. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Perrodin, the project specialist. I like this. I'm a little lighter guy. As you know, I'm about 140 pounds. My knees aren't the greatest. And so this is a heck of a workout. When I get done, I'm spraying this. I'm wiped because you got that respirator on. You're trying to hurry along, get as much as you can done. This is a bit of a workout. So just be aware of that up front a little bit. And, it's a backpack blower, and it can be used as a blower or, as a sprayer. So even though it sits on both shoulders, it's a load to kind of carry around, especially when you haven't done it for a while. You're not in condition for that stuff. Well, let's get after this. What I'm going to do is, I got a long sleeve shirt on. I'm going to wear rubber gloves to protect my hands from the chemicals. I've got my respirator. When I get done, I just strip all this off. Goes right into the washing machine, and I'll take a shower right away. Yes, that's a little bit overkill. I'd sooner be on the side of safe than sorry. So hit that like and subscribe button. Enjoy the rest of the Perrodin Project videos. I hope things are going well for you. Take care. We'll see you on the next video. So round 1 with the Stihl sprayer of eliminating the mosquitoes, Mosquito-Rama, is done. Worked real good. First time out this spring. Yeah, ran real good. I'll follow up. I got to take a look. I don't remember what it is from last year on how many weeks, you're supposed to leave in between sprayings. But I think I did it about once a month last year. So hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the other videos at Perrodin, the project specialist. Would I recommend this Stihl? Yes. Yeah, it's a good product. Take care. Have a great day.